Hey, thanks for joining me. I've spent the last few evenings running the PartyBox 720, and let me tell you, from the second it powered up, the energy in the room shifted. This isn't just a speaker. It's a statement. It turns regular gatherings into moments you'll remember. If you're the kind of person who hosts, who loves high volume with high quality, who wants your setup to match your personality, bold, loud, fun, then this fits you perfectly. You're done with background music at low levels. You want presence. You want impact. Before you get caught up, check the current price and availability. A unit this powerful and mobile doesn't hang around forever. You've had the moment, plug in your older speaker, crank it up, and hear distortion. Or watch the battery drain before the night's halfway done. Or see the lighting effects fall flat. You realized you were settling. You felt it was time for more. The moment I hit play on the PartyBox 720, everything changed. The bass hit with clarity. The highs popped. Vocals grabbed attention. The light show synced with the beat. Suddenly the room wasn't just playing music, it was alive. Up to 15 hours of playtime means the party doesn't stop early. IPX4 splash proof means you're still going even if things get a bit wild. You'll notice it in real life, evening BBQs where the music is louder than the grill. Poolside hangouts where the speaker keeps pace with laughter and splashes. Big playlists set on repeat without needing to recharge halfway through. Or even indoor sessions where the lights and sound together beat any nightclub vibe you looked up. If you haven't yet, check the link now before the price climbs or stock runs low. And yes, I had the same question. Can a battery speaker really deliver pro sound? The surprise benefit. It does. You'll hear it at higher volume. You'll feel the difference in how clean everything stays even when it's maxed. The build doesn't shout, party gimmick, it delivers serious performance. Owning this changes your social scenes. You start planning gatherings because your gear is ready. You sit down and feel like your space finally reflects that you care about the experience, not just the event. You feel elevated. High volume output that commands attention. A dynamic light show that turns music into spectacle. Battery power that outlasts your playlist marathons. A rugged build you don't worry about when things get messy. Confidence that you're not backing into events, you're leading them. If there's a catch, you'll want some space around the speaker for the sound and lights to spread, and once you've heard this level of portable performance, lesser speakers feel like you're missing part of the experience. But here's the truth, you stop comparing 4 different party speakers once you try this. You stop going through pro/con lists. You already feel which one resonates. And the PartyBox 720. It resonates loud and clear. So, check the live price. Lock in your order. Make the upgrade. Because your next gathering deserves more than average. It deserves this.